Dear students, after the relation between roots and coefficient of any polynomial, we have another term that is called division algorithm. In division algorithm, firstly I'll take a very simple example, like I am going to divide this 3. I am going to divide 10 by 3. It will be 3 3 9 and 1 it will be as a reminder. So here this 10 it is called dividend. Dividend equals to 10. This 3 is called divisor. This 3 is called quotient and this one is called remainder. So here I can write this 10 equals to this 3 multiply by 3. It means 3 multiply by 3, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 it will be 10. If I am writing this 10 equals to 3 multiply by 3 plus 1, it will become 10. So here now this 3 means divisor or 10 means dividend. So dividend equals to this 3 divisor multiply by this 3, it means quotient, plus this 1 means remainder. 1 means remainder. So here you can see I can write 10 equals to 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Since 10 it was a simple digit, so here for every digit we can write dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here for dividend, if I am going to write dividend means px is divided by gx. So here I can write, suppose px it is any polynomial which is going to divided by gx, it is another polynomial, and we are getting remainder rx where the quotient qx. So I can write px equals to qx multiply by gx plus rx. Here you can see px means divisor equals to qx quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder rx. So this term, this formula is called division algorithm. Px equals to qx multiplied by gx plus rx. That is the division algorithm. Here we have some conditions. Number 1, if rx equals to 0, it means remainder equals to 0. That is gx is a factor of px. If remainder rx equals to 0, it means gx is a factor of px. Second point, the degree of remainder rx should be less than degree of gx. It means the degree of the remainder it will be always less than degree of gx, means divisor. And the third point, degree of gx means divisor, plus degree of qx means quotient, it should be equal, it always equals to degree of px means dividend. So degree of gx divisor plus degree of quotient, it will be always equals to degree of dividend. Dear students, now you can see we are taking an example. It is given कि divide this term 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus x square minus 1 and verify division algorithm. Firstly, you can see it is x square, it is x cube. So we have to write any polynomial in the descending order of the powers. It means I can write px equals to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, where gx equals to, gx means the another polynomial, it is minus x cube plus x minus 1. Now we have to divide this px by gx. So it will be, according to long division method, it is it is x square minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by another polynomial, it is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Firstly, you can see there it is minus x cube. This is also negative sign. It means negative positive. So that should be okay. Now it is x square, it is x cube. So multiply by x. X multiply by x square, it will be minus x cube. X multiply by plus x, it will be plus x square. So we have to write below the x square. x multiplied by 1 minus x. So it will be there only. Now, as in division we have to subtract. So minus minus plus. ये plus था तो minus. This minus will become plus. So this cancel by this. Now plus 3x square minus x square. It means 2x square. Minus 3x plus x plus 2x. Sorry, minus 3x. Minus 2x. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2x. Plus 5. Now again you can see it is minus, but it is plus. So it should be minus, because minus minus, that will be plus. Now it is x square, it is also x square. So that's okay. But here it is 1, it is 2. So multiply by 2. So it will be minus 2x, minus minus plus 2x square, minus plus minus 2x, minus 2x, and minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Now again subtracting this minus plus minus. This is cancelled by this. This term also cancelled by this. So here it is plus 5 minus 2 means only 3. Now you can see degree of this gx means divisor, it is 2. And degree of this remainder, it is only 0. Because degree is 0, it is a constant polynomial. So the degree of constant polynomial, it is 0. So here now you can see now qx equals to x minus 2, rx equals to 3. But here we have to verify division algorithm, and according to the division algorithm we have px equals to qx multiplied by gx plus rx. So I am taking only RHS. Here in RHS it is qx multiplied by gx plus rx. So qx means divisor. Sorry, qx means quotient. It is x minus 2 multiplied by gx means divisor. It is minus x square plus x minus 1, and plus remainder it is 3. So plus 3. Now here you can see x multiplied by there, it will be x into minus x square, so minus x cube, plus x multiplied by x square, x multiplied by 1 minus x. Now minus 2 multiplied by minus x square, it will be minus minus plus. So plus 2x square, minus 2 multiplied by plus x, so it will be minus 2x, and minus 2 minus 1 minus minus plus, plus 2 plus 3. Here it will be minus x cube. Here you can see x square plus 2x square, so it will be plus 3x square. Now minus x minus 2x means minus 3x, and plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now you can see there minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. That is the same. It is the same like we got there. So here we can write hence LHS equals to RHS, or it is PX. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence division algorithm verified. One more example. It is given find all zeros of polynomial fx equals to this if two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So here you can see it is the polynomial of degree 4 and 2 roots are there. So we have to find other roots. It means maximum 2 roots more, because if it is degree 4, then it will have maximum 4 roots. So here it will be, for solution, firstly you will say ki if, yeah, we know if x equals to a is a 0 of polynomial, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial. So x minus, here we can write x equals to root 2 means x minus 2 root 2 is a factor, and similar is a factor of fx. And if x equals to minus root 2, it means x plus root 2 is a factor of fx. So from here I can write hence x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is a factor of fx. So here it will be, here you can see x minus root 2, x plus root 2, a minus b, a plus b. So it will be x square minus 2 is a factor of fx. So here we got ki x square minus 2 is a factor of fx. Now by using this only, we will find other factors. So here now I will write now gx equals to x square minus 2. So here I am going to divide, it will be x square minus 2. Here it is 2x की power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 minus 19x to the power 2 minus 14x plus 30. It should be there. Now before solving, please keep that in mind. If after solution you are getting remainder equals to 0, then this number will be factor of this. Otherwise you are doing somewhere any mistake. Firstly you can see there it is x to the power 2, it is x to the power 4. So multiply by x to the power 2. And here it is coefficient of x 1, x square, that is coefficient of 1. Here it is 2, so multiply by 2. So 2x square multiply by this. It will be 2x to the power 4. Now 2x square multiply by 2, it will be minus 4x square. So we have to write that below the x square. It will be minus 4x square. Please keep that in mind. Now according to rule, minus plus. This term cancel by this. So here it will be left 7x to the power 3. Now 19 plus 4 plus 23. X to the power 2 minus 14x plus 30. Now again it is x square, it is x cube. So plus x square. Sorry, x only. 7 also 7x. So 7x multiply by this, it will be 7x cube. And 7x multiply by this, 7 to the 14x. So minus 14x. Again, it will be 7 minus 7 minus plus. This term cancel by this. This minus 14x plus 14x, it is also cancel. Dear students, here you can see it is minus 19, it is plus 4. So it will be 15. Minus 15, not plus 23, it will be minus 15. So here it is minus 15x square and plus 30. Now again you can see it is minus 15 x square, it is also x square, and it is negative, but it is positive, so we have to put here negative. Now it is 15, so multiply by 15. So 15 multiply by 1, 15x square minus 15x square minus 15 multiply by minus 2. Minus 15 multiply by minus 2, it is minus plus 30. Now again this is plus and it is minus. So this cancel by this. Only we will get 0. So here you can check key reminder Rx clearly. Rx equals to 0. Hence you did right. So now we can write ki hence 2x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 minus 19x to the power 2 minus 14x plus 30. It means fx equals to, it is x square minus 2 into 2x to the power 2 plus 7x minus 15 plus remainder 0. So here you can see now two roots we got from there. Now we have to solve this number only. Here it is 2x to the power 2 plus 7x minus 15 equals to 0. So here you can see it is a quadratic equation. 2 multiplied by 15, it means 30. Factor of 30 is such that their difference should be 7. So I think it will be 10 multiplied by 3. 10 3 is 30 and 10 minus 3 7. So here we will solve this. It will be 2x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Here I can take 2 as a common part. It will be 2x. So x plus 5. And now minus 3 as a common part. It will be x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we will get x plus 5 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. And at last I can write ki when x plus 5 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 5, and when 2x minus 3 equals to 0, so x equals to 3 by 2. So hence other zeros of polynomial, yeah, fx equals to minus 5 and 3 by 2. But here it is written ki find all zeros. Here we have to find all zeros, so we can write hence all zeros of polynomial fx equals to 2 zeros, root 2 and minus root 2, and other two are minus 5 and 3 by 2. So all the zeros are root 2 comma minus root 2 minus 5 and 3 by 2. It is the zeros. So by using this way you can find all the zeros of any polynomial.